ಇವತ್ತು ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಗಾಂಧಿಯವರ ಮಗಳು ಇಟಾಲಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಮಗಳನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ವಯನಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಕೇರಳ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದು. ಇಲ್ಲೊಬ್ಬ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗ, ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದ ಮಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದವನು, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಲಸಿಗ ಆಗ್ತೀನ? ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋದು.
How do you see the statement of Kumaraswamy and Priyanka Gandhi, sir, in Wayanad, that she is a migrant and you are targeting him?
Mr. Kumaraswamy or anyone or Gowda family or JDS or anyone doesn't have any right to speak on Gandhi family. The contribution of Gandhi families can't be matched. The Gandhi family has kept the country united and my party also united. So she has been offered the seat. She would have contested any time, but now she wanted to help South India. Earlier also Indira Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, everyone had opted this South India. She has given a chance. There is no question. She can't. The entire country belongs to them.